Hello everyone. I am Dr. Vasant Sapavadia, Medical Director of Netraji Hospital, Rajkot, Gujarat. Today I am going to give some insight into the ICL. Today, laser refractive surgery is the most popular procedure for the patient who come for the refractive error correction. But laser refractive surgery is not a good alternative for many patients come for the LVC like high myopia, thin cornea, abnormal topography. For such patients, ICL has become a good alternative and it is becoming more and more popular because of multiple reasons. So, what is ICL? ICL is implantable collamer lens. ICL surgery means implanting a lens in between the natural crystalline lens and the colored part of the eye, that is iris. The lens is made up of columnar material which is soft, flexible, and highly biological compatible, and it is designed specially for eye. The material is proprietary product of Star ICL, Switzerland. ICL surgery is many times confused with refractive lens exchange, but they are different. In refractive lens exchange, we are removing the natural crystalline lens and replacing it with other artificial lens. Whereas in ICL, we are not removing the natural lens. We are implanting one lens in between the natural crystalline lens and the iris, which is colored part of the eye. ICL is completely invisible to others and you don't feel it in your eyes like you feel contact lens. What is ICL surgery? ICL surgery is an elective surgery done to get rid of glasses or contact lens, particularly in high myopia and patient with abnormal cornea. ICL is done since 1991 and now it is replacing more and more patients of laser vision correction because of multiple reasons. The most important reason is quality of vision. ICL gives far better quality of vision as compared to laser vision correction. The vision here is sharper, clearer, and the depth of focus is far better. Overall, it gives excellent quality of vision. In LVC, we are altering the corneal shape, whereas in ICL, we don't touch the cornea. So, the ICL gives HD quality of vision, whereas LVC gives normal quality of vision. The second reason for making the ICL more popular is reversibility. If the patient is not happy with the quality of vision or because of other complication, we can remove the lens and eye becomes normal, which is not possible in laser vision correction. The third reason for making the ICL more popular is minimum or no dryness. In ICL, we are not cutting any corneal knobs, so there is minimum or no dryness. Whereas in laser vision correction, we are cutting the corneal knobs, and that is why the main complication of laser vision correction is dryness. Though in SMILE, the dryness is minimum. The fourth reason, the ICL blocks ultraviolet rays. So theoretically, it reduces the chance of developing cataract and macular degeneration. And the last but not least reason is we get perfect IOL power calculation at the time of cataract surgery, as we are not altering the shape of cornea in ICL. Once you decide for ICL surgery, then we have to have perfect measurement of your eyes because these lenses are made customized. These lenses are made according to your refraction, your white to white measurement, and your anterior chamber depth. So we take white to white measurement under microscope in the OT and anterior chamber measurement with pentacam in OPD. Vision ICL surgery can be performed bilaterally same day, but you can decide. In the world, most of the surgeons do both eye same day. We also do both eye same day, but you can decide. The surgery is perfectly painless as topical anesthetic drops are used preoperatively. You may be given relaxing IV medication if required by anesthetist. The surgery is done in around 15 to 20 minutes. However, the proper surgical time is around 5 minutes per eye. During the surgery, the eye is filled with gel-like substance called viscoelastic. Then ICL is injected in the eye, unfolded, and with special instrument, it is placed under iris and, if required, aligned with step axis. And after that, the incision is closed. Antibiotic drops are instilled after surgery. We don't apply any patch after surgery. Just with goggles on, you can go out of OT. You may have little blur vision few hours after surgery. The next follow-up is scheduled on the next day morning. Most of the patients have wow feeling on the next day morning. The quality of life improves. For example, next day morning when you wake up, your vision is pretty clear and you need not to search for glasses for your vision. You will be prescribed post-operative medication for 1 month and next follow-up would be around after 1 month. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any queries regarding ICL, please comment here or you can visit my hospital. Please like and share our video.